Welcome to the DŌST assembly videos. In this one, Dave will show you how to install the cup holder using the tools provided with the bike. First, use a pair of pliers to cut the zip tie and remove the bag. All the tools you need are in the bag, and you will also find the instructions there, although you won't really need them after this video. Use the Allen key to remove these bolts completely. You can do this on your workbench. If you don't have a workbench, you can use your kitchen table. If you don't have a kitchen table, you can sit on the floor. And if you don't have a floor, you should really consider the choices you're making in life. Back to the cup holder. You can use the Allen key to loosen the inside and make further adjustments to swivel the cup holder so it sits straight. Once you're happy, let's move to the bike. We're going to remove the last part before installing. Place together all of the shims, 2 on each side. Make sure you do both. Now we can put the screws back in and put it on the handlebar. Make sure both screws go in. Tighten with the Allen key, alternating top and bottom. Now you can bring the cup holder in. You will see notches so you can rotate the cup holder to your liking. Use the Allen key to tighten. You can make final adjustments to the height and your cup holder is ready. Now you can ride with your coffee, tea, or if you're like Dave, 16-year-old Lagavulin single malt Scotch whisky. If you have any questions, please visit support.dostbikes.com.